Are coffee grounds good for tomato plants? Yes, but only if you use them the right way. Used coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen. They also contain small amounts of potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, three nutrients your tomato plants need for strong roots, healthy leaves, and juicy fruit. Sounds like a win, right? Not so fast. Coffee grounds are also acidic and still contain traces of caffeine, which can mess with young oil sensitive plants. Tomatoes are picky, they like slightly acidic soil, but too much acidity or nitrogen can throw everything off. Too much nitrogen, you'll get big leafy plants but fewer tomatoes. Too much acidity, stunted growth and weak roots. So, dumping a bunch of coffee grounds directly onto your tomato soil, not a good idea. Solution oriented, here's what actually works. Use them in compost. Add your used coffee grounds to your compost pile. They'll break down with other materials and become part of a nutrient rich blend tomatoes love. Providing alternatives. If you don't compost, you can still use coffee grounds directly, but only in small amounts and only if you mix them into the soil. Coffee grounds tend to clump. If they sit on top of the soil, they can block water and air, which leads to poor plant health. So, what's the right amount? Use 1 cup of used coffee grounds for every 10 cups of soil. That's about half a standard bag of potting mix. For garden beds, use 1 cup of coffee grounds per square foot of soil once a month. Reassuring, just mix it in a few inches deep and you're good to grow. Think of coffee grounds like seasoning. A little adds flavor, too much ruins the dish. For tomato plants in containers, be even more cautious. Direct advice, stick to composted coffee grounds or skip them entirely. Potted tomatoes are more sensitive and it's easier to mess up the balance. So, to wrap it up, are coffee grounds good for tomato plants? Yes, but only when used properly. Add them to compost or mix small amounts directly into the soil. Just don't overdo it. Gardening is like brewing coffee, it's all about balance. If you want more tips like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the full blog post on Mocha Mornings. The link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Now go grow something amazing.